Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope guys you're all doing well. Today we're gonna talk about alternative ways to say how are you. हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में how are you का वर्ड बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं. So आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि how are you की रिप्लेसमेंट में हम कौन से वर्ड्स को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Let's speak alternative ways to say how are you. How's everything? What's good in the hood? How are things? Long time no see. How are you doing? What's new with you? How have you been? How long has it been? How are things going? How are you holding up? What's going on? What are you heading? How are you feeling? How are things coming along? What are you up to? How was your day? What's sizzling? Little things in your life? I hope you will understand. Next video में मिलेंगे. See you. Thank you so much.